I was taking a walk one day through the fields, the vibrant and brilliant fields of Swindon National Park. I was in a curious sort of mood that day, and I was looking for something I could feast my stomach of attention on. So I set off, using my senses and supreme tracking skills I obtained from level 6.5 biology in 1935. I managed to track him down. A man who also would change my life forever.
Hello, is it okay if we just do a quick interview?
Yeah, right, just a quick one.
Okay, what's your name, sorry?
I'm Greg.
Greg what, sorry? What's your last name?
Greg shkyieköpfaskie.
Greg shkyieköpfaskie. Shkyieköpfaskie, sorry.
Thank you.
Greg, I've seen you around the field recently, and I was just wondering, what have you been doing?
Been doing in the field?
Yeah.
Ah, yes, in that field, yes. Not the other one.
Greg, no.
In the field,
Yes.
it's gonna sound real weird, but I'm friends with the ants.
Alright, so Greg, what do you do down here in the grass?
Normally, in the grass, I'm looking for ants.
Greg, you use this device, does it allow you to locate the ants?
Locate?
Yeah. Like see the.
Oh, I can. Yes, I can see the ants with this device.
Okay. Greg, may I please have a look? May I please?
You can have a wee peek, sure.
Thank you very much.
Ants.
Greg, I'm sorry, but I'm unable to see anything in this device.
That's because you're not looking properly, you wee stout. You've got to think like an ant to see an ant.
So Greg, how did you get into the hobby?
Well, my wife left me and I needed a source of entertainment, so I looked out the window and I saw me garden, and it all kicked off from there. Started digging, found the common earthworm, then I moved on to ants. It's pretty simple.
Very good, Greg. What's the downside of the hobby?
Downsides? Unfortunately, laddie, there are many, but most importantly, I get dirty knees. I can't clean them. I can't do it with my children no more because my wife left me and I lost the court case.
I won't ask you why you filed for a court case, Greg.
I tried to make my kids
Greg,
look
no.
for ants. Being an ant whisperer, you have to take good care of your moustache. It traps the scent of the ant's nest for me, so I can smell it for hours really distinctly, like this. and check a few more places. There's nothing there. No.